Hey, Amba here. Thank you for um, watching this, and you are more than welcome. So today we're gonna talk about inverted poses. Some who joins us in internet has asked for how to teach them or how I would teach them, but I have a little problem with that because if you are doing some of the more advanced inverted poses, you should do those in a yoga center, on yoga class with a experienced teacher, because you can hurt yourself. For example, if you don't have strength in your arms, and you are doing headstand and you don't have muscles in your neck, you can really badly hurt yourself. But we talk a little bit about the inverted poses, and in that description below I will tell all those wonderful benefits we get from them. So let's start with that headstand, and I'm just gonna show you a couple variations of not the full headstand, but variations how you can start practicing to strengthen your body. So always before headstand we go to the balance our blood pressure so that it doesn't come from one end to the other while coming from the stand to a headstand. And also what I want to say about the headstand, the full headstand, is that you need to be on, if you have a high blood pressure, don't do it if you are not under medication. So now we come and we measure our elbows. So you actually have to hold one hand. Our elbows have to be directly under our shoulders, not like some people do it like this. No, you have to have them under your shoulders, because that's where you get most strength. And what we do first, we're gonna do the dolphin, because when you are doing dolphin, inhaling, exhaling up, inhale, nose to your hands, exhale up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you are strengthening your arms. For the baby headstand, prayer position, but we open them so that we get our head, the very top of the head on the floor, not your forehead or anything else. And then we start coming. We start coming and walking towards our head. And this one can be perfect start. And then when we get our strength, we can start bringing our legs a little bit up. And if you have never done this, I would say don't do it at home by yourself. Go and find a experienced yoga teacher who can teach you the steps to headstand. And even, because why I'm so concerned, I've seen somebody going to a headstand who wasn't strong enough, and although she was doing it next to the wall, she still fell. to one side, and I think she had to go to a chiropractor afterwards. So I'm really, really concerned about learning this at home by yourself. Don't do it. Okay, the next inverted pose, for example, in Shivananda yoga class is a shoulder stand. So of course the easiest version that people do is the legs on a wall position. There's the next is that you are starting to push your hips up and your feet are on the wall. Then you can come maybe one leg and see if you can come the other leg down. Up. And we have to learn, and we are where we are. But the right position for shoulder stand is, as it is called, shoulder stand. So your weight is actually on your shoulders. Now from here, we can come to the plow pose. And then we can, if the toes touch, you can interlock your fingers and push your hands to the floor. And then we can come down one vertebrae at a time. And from here you can, well actually I guess we can do this one also. We come to a supported bridge pose. We're gonna put our hands under where they were when we were doing our shoulder stand. And we just keep our hips up. So this is called shoulder stand series. And we can in one point go to the more demanding yoga poses. We can do maybe a series of advanced yoga poses. Then one more inverted pose is, for example, the handstand. This is also advanced yoga pose. So I would say find a yoga teacher who can teach you that. If you don't have the strength in your hands, I'm not going to show the full handstand. So I'm going to next to the wall, and then I bring my legs up. So this is supported handstand. So the more easier inverted poses are, of course, the dolphin that I showed, but also the downward dog. And here we elongate the spine, our buttocks are up, and we broaden we can also broaden our stand. So those are a couple easier ones. Because if you are new, please safety first. And in that poll, the one who requested about the inverted poses, they were requesting also the bicycle pose. A bicycle pose, you can do it in few ways. So it's inverted bicycling invertedly. So the easiest one is that your hands are next to your body, and then you just start bicycling. And in yoga, we usually start with the right leg first. So the next version of this is that you bring your head up and hold it in an up position. Then there's one that's even harder than this one. So when your left knee is here, you bring your right side up, and then the other way. So that's about the inverted, and I have to think about that advanced poses. If I feel safe enough to teach them like this. Thank you for joining. Namaste.